What are you doing? Oh yeah, I'm sharing. Oh, right. Oh, well, it's actually called.
Yeah, it's
yes, that's
constant. It's a little bit deeper in the
it's mainly for reverse.
fully concrete.
I've finally garden. I was submarine. I can actually sail on the house by the
Crystal clear.
Well, I was thinking about your guy if he's coming with his van, he's taking stuff.
That's a lot of people do that.
I played with Yacht when I was little.
Tracy saw freaked all over, and even died on. Last time on, I think many boys done. Wow. I'm like you, I can now start moving forward now.
So maybe before you load them, you could just share with me very briefly how they work for the viewers at home. I think there are a number of ways you can do torpedoes on a sub.
Yeah, there's.
But I'm intrigued.
It's about 3 or 4 ways of doing it. There's 1 or 2 knocking about that are electric. They actually run on
electric
motors. But these are gas fired.
Gas fired.
Lighter fuel.
I like it. It sounds more dangerous.
Doesn't it? Lighter fuel. Yeah. Just don't smoke by me while I'm doing it.
Is there no way you could have a spark as it leaves the tube?
Yeah.
It would look like a cruise missile and above the way.
After it, after.
Or Daddy Finger does.
That's it, yes.
No, not for me.
There's a can of Coke in there. What's it?
And I've got a packet of crisps and a sausage.
So these are the.
Yeah, it's your torpedo. That's just literally holds it into place in there. Clicks into that mechanism. That mechanism pulls back.
So that is literally to retain it in the tube, and so you
that
pull that off
to
launch it,
and they go off they go.
and then you fill this with lighter compress. Yeah. It's compressed then. All right, with your lighter fuel over there.
So if you get a spark behind it.
I know. Wouldn't that be good? Maybe next year. Maybe next year.
Spark you in a minute, Garside.
We need to create some proper types.
Yes, we need some boats on the water. Oh, okay. Brilliant.
It was.
You would think you were telling me earlier that you've put, what do you call this, on the fins? You've put a kind of a...
Well, one put a rake on them.
A rake on them so that they spin.
Preferably spin, but not come out of the water and spin.
Yes, we don't want it to get airborne. We don't want it to turn into a cruise missile.
We're going to put rifling in the tube.
I'll rifle you in a minute. Straight into that brush. It's about a 2-second charge.
Give me an idea work on
Really, 2 seconds? That's quite a long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
That's why they fly.
I'm looking forward to this.
Pick matchsticks. They work all right,
No,
Yeah, it's just a piece of wood out of the boathouse.
Where's Martin?
Well, it was terracing around the pool for about an hour.
Yeah.
People were trying to grab it.
Yeah.
I was watching that thinking,
Quite entertaining.
they're electric. Yeah. Definitely electric. They don't go that far.
Not unless you have kept up and torpedo somebody deliberately.
Okay, so we need people in, we need people.
No pressure.
Action!
No pressure.
Lights, camera, and action.
Okay. Would you like to stick it in for me? So to speak.
Oh, he's going for it, John. Quick, let's get up.
Oh, I haven't put it in yet. We ain't. You don't trust me?
Sorry, what was your name, sir?
Dave.
Dave. Good luck, Dave.
Which way are you facing it to fire?
Outwards.
Harry, no, Harry, no. More past that shot, aren't
She is. I mean, she's downstairs now. Or something in the sides of her temples or something, and she's got no muscle.
Go. There's a target. Yeah.
Ooh, that's a nice taste.
That's what I'm saying.
It's a friendly fire incident.
Green on green.
Is this Japanese as well then?
The hose out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a Yankee as well.
It's fair game.
Yeah, but those Yanks weren't about when the Japanese were our enemy.
I mean, he offered to send her to the...
Say, let me know when you're going to fire.
Anyway, to do with this song.
Mine was something like that, very heavy.
If you count down from 5, Dave, that would be good.
Come round.
Yeah, it's
come
good.
Back down.
It's a good move. In terms of the light, if it's that kind of way, it'd be great.
All the anticipation, and it's like, whew.
3, 2, 1.
I'll get out for a couple.
Oh, we nearly torpedoed ourselves, man.
That was good.
The one's not going.
I thought they had longer range.
Well, they got built.
Down to how much charge I put.
Yeah, true.
It's the rented price. What's that?
And I'm playing at the moment.
Yeah.
Current tenants of the we've had a few problems. All the tenants of the
That skipjack.
That is Scorpion.
they've gone right back to the beer.
One that didn't come back.
Scorpion.
The
Yeah,
other
she
one
sank.
they only had 6. She was sunk under strange circumstances.
Can you see your? Oh, there's your torpedo in the water.
Second one not working.
Well done, Dave. I like that. It's good.
Not too bad. I'll have another crack in a bit.
Left with one tenant. Shouldn't do, but he wasn't one to
Can you remember the name of the people that sell that?
That's right, no, model engineering.
Sorry,
R&R model engineering.
RMR model engine, R&R model engineering. People will ask.
We wouldn't risk it drifting.
It's just too far out, isn't it? You good? There you go, Dave.
Thank you very
One
much.
torpedo.
Oh, I did put them at the right tubes. I didn't play one of the tubes. Very good.